Come, let's walk together through Tjörn. Tjörn is an island located on the west coast of Sweden, belonging to the region Västra Götaland. Tjörn is an old cultural settlement with many remains from the Stone, Bronze and Iron Ages. In the statue park Pilane there have been found about 90 graves from the Iron Age. Traditional fields have been fishing, shipping and agriculture. Today, Tjörn thrives as a picturesque island blending its rich maritime history with contemporary charm. The municipality of Tjörn includes the island of Tjörn and over 1,500 smaller islands, islets and skerries, the majority of which are uninhabited. In 2023, Tjörn have approximately 60,000 inhabitants annually, which increases during summer. How many people do you believe inhabit Tjörn during summer? During summer, the number of inhabitants more than doubles, so about 32,000 people live in Tjörn at that season. There are several hiking trails on Tjörn with varying difficulty levels. There are 19 municipal beaches. Would you like to visit Tjörn?